Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Hope all are doing good. So we'll start the session. Okay. So Deepti ma'am, I hope are you there in the session with us?
Yeah, good morning, Chandana. So
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
have
You
given the
can.
access to me, right? Yes.
Sorry.
You have given the access, right?
Yeah, I gave.
Yeah. Is my screen visible, Chandana?
Yeah, madam. It is visible.
And voice is clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Yeah, so I can see still participants are joining. So good morning, everyone. So let's start with our session today. So in yesterday's session and the previous day one session, what we discussed, suppose if my company will give me any project to me. So first I will get the data, and that data I will understand whether that data is correct or not. So if any changes are needed, yesterday we have already used the Power Query editor for data cleaning purpose, right? Once my cleaning is done, I have loaded that data using the Power Pivot where in the Excel. But this data is not entire data, only the column name you will find here. This pivot chart fields are having only column name. So this is just a summary of my data. But whenever I will go to this particular sheet, you can see n number of information is present here, right? So it is difficult for me to analyze. Suppose if anybody will ask me central region, all information, central, multiple time it is present, and I need to get that specific information, right? Why we are doing the data modeling? Because my company has given the 3 different data to me. One is a orders data, one is a people data, and one is a returns data, right? So if I'm having the 3 different data set, and if I wanted to do the connection between the data, what we will do? We will use the data modeling, and for that which tool we need? Power Pivot. So Power Pivot is for data connection, Power Query editor is for the data cleaning purpose. Now both the steps we have already done. Now today we have to work on the proper dashboard, because end of the day the requirement of the company is to see the all information in one place, right? So what we will do here, so this first KPI is what I wanted to see, the region wise total sales. So I got the total sales. And after looking into this chart, I can easily understand my West region is performing good for my company, right? Same way, I will go to the orders data and I will check what KPI is there, which we have already written. Second is a category wise sales. So which category is performing good for my company? So category wise sales is which KPI? 2. So I will go to the KPI 2 sheet, right? Without clicking on pivot table, nothing is appearing here. You will feel that nothing is here. How I can analyze the data? Just click on here. Once you will click on this, what is my requirement here? I wanted to show the category wise sales value. So I will search for what? Category. So click on the category. Category selected, furniture, office supply and technology. And along with that category, what you want? I want to see the sales value. I will select the sales. Got the answer? Furniture, office supply, and this one. I got this particular value, right? I will go to the same data. I will select. I will go to the insert tab. I will go to the recommended chart and I can select whatever chart I want. Suppose if I will go with this particular chart, this is pie chart. If you want this way, this way, this way, you decide which is suitable for your data. I will go with this chart. Okay. Pie chart. If you will go with this one also, this is also looking good, right? I will go with this basic chart, right? If you want 3D way, you can go for the second option. So this is my which chart now? Pie chart. Okay. First one is a bar chart. Second one is a pie chart. So what name I will give to this one, as this is the category? Yeah, so for this particular category, I will give the name as category wise sales. So this is totally up to me what name I wanted to give, what background I wanted to give. I've just given the name as what? Category wise sales, but I wanted to see the value also here, right? So I will go to the format. I will use the same background color and all for this chart, right? So I got the same background and way how you have in the first chart. This is my first chart. This is my second chart, right? So 2 charts I have created, category wise sales value. And can you see here, you got the value also in percentage, how much is the contribution of furniture, how much is the contribution of this one. So what I can observe here, so gray color is for what? Technology. So technology is having how much contribution? 36%. So it is the highest contribution, right? Same way, if I will go for the furniture and office supply, both are almost the same, right? That's why the size of the pie is same for both the cases, but this one is little bit bigger because I'm having the more cells for the which category now? Technology. So this is the analysis which I got from my data set. Third way, I will go to the KPI 3. Orders data, what they want? Segment wise discount. I will go for third KPI, click on the pivot table. And what I want here? Segment. So I will just search for the segment. Segment wise, what they want? Discount. Segment wise discount, right? So I will go for segment wise discount. Got the values here? Segment wise discount. Again, I will do the same thing. I will select the data. I will go to the insert tab. Whatever chart you want, you can select bar chart, column chart, whatever you want. Suppose if I will go with the pie chart, and here I will go with the donut. Okay, just a ring kind of thing. Click on OK. Got the donut chart here. So for this donut chart, what name I will give to this one? Segment wise discount. So I will just click on this total, and what name I will give to this one? Segment wise discount. All right. So segment wise discount name I have given to this particular chart, right? Same way, I will use the same formatting because it will look good if my all the charts are having same kind of formatting. So what you can see, consumer is having 53% of contribution. Can you see 53% of contribution, right? So if you want the more bigger, you can convert the more bigger size. That is up to you which size you want for the chart, right? Third is also done. How many left now? State-wise cells and the region-wise cells. So I will go for the fourth KPI. Click on this one. Here I want the state-wise cells. I will just search for what? State. I will take the state. State-wise what? So this is the easiest way how you can find the particular value. I have taken the state. State-wise what? Cells value. I will go for cells. I got this one. Now I will select the entire data. How many states are present? I will go for all the states. Now I will go to the again insert. Let me go for map, whether it is allowing me or not. You cannot go with the map. So what I will do, I will just go for other chart which is suitable for me. Maybe line chart, maybe, yeah. So even we can put this way, right? Line way you can put, or let me check for any other option which is suitable for the data. Bus not available, histogram not available, box nothing. So depending on data, whatever is the suitable for you, it can go that way, right? So which is the better option, we can choose that and we can go for that specific chart. Yeah, this is better, right? I will go for this one. So here I got the chart. So here what name I will give? I will give the state-wise cells. Okay, state-wise cells. Again, the same way, I will choose the same formatting for this, right? State-wise cells value. So here you can easily observe that these values are having the highest value. This peak is highest, and even the California is good. Even the second one is what? New York is good, and the third one is what? Washington is good. So these three are the top top three states which are performing good in terms of sales, but all are having the same value, almost same, right? So that are not good for my company. Only the California, Washington, and New York is good for my particular company. So this is a state-wise sales. What is left now? The last KPI. That is a region-wise sales. I will go to the fifth KPI, and the fifth KPI, I will go for which option now? Region-wise sales. So I will search for what? Region. So it is up to you what you want. I have selected the name, what company's requirement is that they have given to me. And the same thing I'm using here, right? So central, east, south, and west. Region-wise, what they want? They wanted to see the which value cells. I will search for cells. All done. Region-wise cells. Again, I will go and select the data and I will go for the insert, recommended chart. Whatever chart is suitable for you, I can go with the bar chart, I can go with the column chart. So bar chart, I will go with this. This is giving me the proper analysis. Click on OK. And I will just go to the which option? This one. What are the values? So what name I will give to this particular chart? Region-wise cells. So let me give the name as region wise cells. This is missing, right? Region wise cells. So one chart, region wise cells, both are region wise cells we have taken. Some mistake, let me check. One we can convert. Yeah, see, instead of region wise cells, we can make it this one as a region wise what? Profit we can check. All right. Region wise profit, because both are same, so no need to keep the both the KPIs, right? So this is a region wise cells, category wise cells, segment wise discount, and the state wise sales value. And the fifth one, we are having the region wise. Instead of cells, what I will do, I will click on this one. Cells I don't want, I will uncheck the cells. See, chart is also moving. What I will do, I will give the name as what? Profit. So profit is done, correct? So west region is having good amount of profit as compared to the other region, and which is having the minimum value. Central region is having the minimum value that I can analyze from my particular chart. Now my all the charts are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I will go to the dashboard. So dashboard means what? I need to put all the charts here. I need to do the arrangement. So first I will click on the corner and I will fill the darker color here. Any color you can choose. Suppose I have selected this blue color in the background. Okay. So this is up to you which color dashboard you wanted to create. I have selected this color. Let me go to the view option. Grid lines I will remove. What is the grid lines? That small rectangular box you will find in the Excel. Let me go to the next sheet. See, here these lines are present, so small rectangular. If I will uncheck this, can you see? Blank, right? So what I want, my dashboard should have the blank color here, right? Or the blank cells here. Selected the darker color here. Now let me copy all the charts. Okay. So I will just go for Control C. This is very simple and easiest way. I will do the Control V. First, let me copy all, then I can do the size change and all, right? So Control C, go to the dashboard, Control V. Same way, third chart, Control C, dashboard, Control V. Fourth chart, Control C, and go to the dashboard, Control V. And again, the last one, Control C and Control V, right? So region wise cells addition 2 times, because I have given the name as what? Cells. That is manually I have written, right? That's why it is not changing. So I need to give the name as what? Profit. All right. So let me go to the dashboard and see. Instead of cells, I need to give the name as what? Profit. All right. So I got this all the charts in one place. Okay. What I will do, I will just do the arrangement of my particular chart. So 5 charts I will arrange so that I will get the proper charts here, right? So let me arrange the charts properly. Whenever you will find 4-side arrow, that means it is the correct way how you can arrange your all the charts, right? There is one more chart which is missing. One state is there, region is there, category segment is missing, right? Segment is here. So Control C and dashboard. Yeah, so I will go to this one, segment, category by cells. Why it is not showing? Control C. I will go to the dashboard. Yeah, so I've just copied the one chart 2 times. That's why it is not showing me the proper way. Okay. So let me arrange all the charts properly so that it will look good. So this is now layout of my particular dashboard, how I wanted to see my dashboard, that I'm deciding here. All right. I'm putting all the charts properly with the same size and all, so it will look good. See. Perfect. Now same way, I will just move this one. Move this one. Yeah. What I want here now, I need to give the name to my particular dashboard. Okay. So let me. Yeah. What I want, I need to give the name to my particular dashboard. Okay. So in this particular cell, what I will do, I will insert. I will go for any shape. So from here, I can choose whatever shape I want. So suppose if I go with the oval and I've just inserted this image here. So whatever color you want that you can decide for the dashboard. Suppose if I've selected the gray color and I will give the name as what? Cells dashboard, right? Just the name to the particular dashboard. Now I will increase the size. I will go to the, this is very big, 20 is fine. Okay. Alignment center, middle, and instead of 20, I will make it 24. Perfect. Okay. So this is just the name of my particular dashboard. Okay. And the color I will select as text color. I will go for black. And let me make it bold so that it will be highlighted in the dashboard, right? So this way you can just arrange the shape and all. Whatever shape you will like, you can choose that particular shape for dashboard, right? So this is my choice. I've given the name to the dashboard as a sales dashboard, right? All right. Now chart is ready, dashboard name is ready, right? I need to put some buttons here. That is called as what? Navigation buttons. Okay. So what I will do, I will again go to the insert. I will go for again shape. I will go for any shape, whatever I want. Suppose if I will go with this one, right? So what I will do, I will just put this particular button. It is your choice which color you wanted to select for the buttons. So let me go with the again same gray color, right? And for this button, I will give the name as what? KPI 1. Okay. And let me select this. I will go for same size 20, right? Color, this one is black color. I will go for text. Okay, bold, and this is perfect, right? This is my one button KPI 1, right? What I will do, how many sheets I want? I wanted to go with the KPI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will just paste this particular thing how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one for the return, one for the people, one for the orders. Okay. So let me just move this all the buttons so that it will look good. These are simple buttons, right? Nothing I have linked currently. Let me first arrange, then I will rename that, and then we can link this particular button. Okay. So it is up to you which shape you want, which color you want, what you want, that you decide, and then you can just rearrange the particular button. So for this, I will give the name as what? KPI 2. Right? So I will just click on this 2, click on this 3, click on this 4. This is 5. And to this, I will give the name as orders. Second, not order, orders. Perfect. This I will give the people, and to this button I will give the name as returns. All right, so just let me perfect and the return. Yeah, all the buttons are properly arranged here. All right, so if you feel that the space is less and more, you can arrange that. So KPI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, order, people, and return. These are the simple buttons. Now, what is my requirement? I need to connect the KPI 1 with which sheet? KPI 1 sheet, right? So what I will do, right click on this button. Can you see the link option? Link. I'm linking this dashboard with the particular button. I need to go for which option now? I don't have to go outside, not to the create new documents, email, nothing. I want to link with what? Which KPI? KPI 1. Click on OK. Same way, go to the second one, right click, link, KPI 2. The same way you have to do it for all, right? KPI 3, right click, link, KPI 3. Okay. Go to the 4, right click, link, KPI 4. And okay. Now KPI 5, right click, link, KPI 5. Okay. Order, right click, link with what? Orders. Okay. People, link, right click, people, and okay. Last is return. See, it won't take much time, hardly 1 or 2 minutes you have to spend for linking the different files. I will go for returns and click on OK. All my sheets are linked with each other, correct? What I will do, I will go to the KPI 1 sheet. Okay, KPI 1 sheet, I will go to the which option again? Insert. Different shapes I can take. I will go for arrow now, this arrow, right? I will go for this particular arrow. And to this particular arrow, I will give the name as go to dashboard. If I'm coming to this particular sheet, I need to go back to the dashboard also, right? Can you see, go to the dashboard. All right. So from each and every sheet, what is my requirement? I need to come back to the which sheet now? Dashboard. I will click on this. Okay. Right click, link. I need to link this data with which page now? Dashboard page. Once it is done with the dashboard page, I need to click on what? Okay. So from each and every page, I need to go to where? Dashboard, right? So I will just copy this one. All right. I will go and paste everywhere. Control. I need to copy what? This particular button. Can you see you're on the dashboard? So KPI 1, right click, copy. And I will go to the KPI 2. Why it is not copied? KPI 1. Let me first edit this one. Okay. Or let me remove the link first. Because why it is link is already done, right? Link I will do it later. Remove the link. Now I can click on this Control C. First, let me paste and then I can link. Control. Copy. Control V. All sheets I will copy, okay? Control V. Control V. Dashboard don't need to do. Just I need to go to the returns. Control V. People. Control V. And the orders I need to go for the Control V. All right. Now I will just start from here. So I will just go to this one. Link. Link with what? Dashboard. Right? Click on OK. Same way, people. Right click. Link to the dashboard. Okay. Return. Click on this one. Link to the dashboard. The same thing I need to do for all the 4-5 sheets, right? So this I will delete because this I don't want. Right click, link with dashboard. So everywhere my destination is what? Dashboard. KPI 2, right click, link, go to the dashboard. And okay. 3, right click, link with the dashboard. Just left with 2 more. Last, right click, link, and this is the final. Okay. Right. Now this extra sheet is not deleted. I will just right click and delete. Till dashboard only I want, right? So let me click on KPI 1. You are on which sheet now? KPI 1 page. Can you see? Now let me click on KPI 2. KPI 2. Go back to the dashboard. You are in the dashboard. KPI 3. So now my everything is related to each other. If I want to see the orders data, I'm on orders data, right? And if I will go back to the again dashboard, I can go to the dashboard. Clear? So this way you can link the buttons, right? What is my requirement? If I will click on this sales dashboard, I should go to the Google page, Facebook, Amazon, whatever you want, right? So I will click on this particular sales dashboard, link, right? I will go for web existing file or the web page. Do you want it to go to the existing file anywhere or you want it to go to the web page? I will just put the web page. So I will write https:// So I can directly go to the Facebook, I can go to the Amazon, wherever you want. Okay, so www. I will put amazon.com, right? And click on OK. What is my requirement? If the person will click on this particular button, you can just go to the which option? Can you see you're on which page now? Amazon. So now you can create your Amazon dashboard as you're working on a sales dashboard, right? Amazon data, correct? I will go back to this one. So this way you can link your particular data, right? So you will find here still I've kept some space over here. Why this space is left? Because I need to add some slicers and filters. Okay, so how to add the slicer, how to add the filter, that I will tell you, right? I will click on the first chart. Okay. Pivot table analyzer. Can you see where I'm going? Pivot table analyzer. I have the option to insert the slicer. I have the option to insert the timeline. I will go for which option? Slicer. See, multiple names are visible. I will go with the category. You can select whatever you want, right? I will go with the region. So this is my first slicer. Region is my second slicer. And the segment is my third slicer. All right. So it is up to you. If you wanted to add more, you can add more slicer also, right? So I have just selected the three different slicer: region, segment, and the category. All right. These are the slicers. What is my requirement? If I will click on the particular furniture, all my charts should change according to the furniture. This is my requirement, right? What I need to do, click on the slicer. Can you see the slicer option is highlighted? I will go to the slicer, report connection, and I need to put the checkbox on all, because if I will select the one slicer, I should see the changes on each and every pivot table. Click on OK. Same way, I will go to the region, report connection, click on all the slices. This is only for the one time you have to do, correct? So I've selected all the 7. Same way, I will go for segment, report connection, and I will go for what? Select all the slicers. All right, click on OK. I have connected my all the slicers with the particular value, correct? What I will do, I will just increase the size of this one as this is a bigger chart. So this is up to you, how you wanted to adjust the chart, how you wanted to put, correct? So you should not keep any blank space. It won't look good. All right. So I got all the charts here, right? So this slicer, this slicer, this slicer, everything is perfectly all right. Okay. What I want, still you will find I have some space over here, right? Why the space is there? Because I wanted to add some cards here. Okay. So cards means total sales, profit, like that. Okay. What I will do, I will just go to the insert again. I will go for again shape. You can go with icon also. That is your choice, right? So icons means cells. Just let me search for the cells. We don't have any icon for cells. Okay. Let me go with the images. So you can take any image from here. That is your choice, right? You can go with any of the option from here. You can put the smiley. If you want the rating, you can add anything. Let me go with the shape, because here this thing will not look good, right? So what I will do, I will just go with this normal shape. Okay. So for this, I will give the name as what? Let me go with the same gray color, because my theme is gray. I will go with gray color, and to this, I will give the name as what? Cells, or total cells, right? I will go to the home. Let me make it bold. Let me make the bigger size, very big. We can go for 16. Total cells. And I will go for which color now? Text color should be black. Bold already it is there. Total cells, right? So I will just copy this one. Control C. Control V, Control V. Okay. So I will just put these three values here. Okay, total sales. Second, I will give the name as what? Total profit. Okay. And this third value, I can give the name as total discount. Okay. So just let me increase the size. Perfect. So total sales, total profit, and total discount. I have just given the name to that one, right? What I want in this particular cell, I should get the total sale. Here I should get the total profit. Here I should get the total discount. See what I'm doing here. I will go to the KPI 1. This is my total sales amount, right? But this is dynamic. If I will select the central, it will give me the central output. If I will select the south, it should give me the south output. What I will do, outside this pivot table, I will click on any cell. I will write equal to, select this value and enter. Correct? I will click on this. Okay. Copy the formula. Control C. Copy the formula, enter. I will go to the dashboard. Okay. So in this particular cell, I will do the Control V. Okay. So if I will check, so let me make it bold. Let me increase the size. So 18 is very big and not 18. Let me go with 16 only. And the text color, I will go for white. Yeah. So I will click on this particular cell. I will write equal to. I will go to the KPI sheet. I will just click on this and enter. What the answer total sales? Same way, let me increase the more size 18. Perfect. Total sales I got here. Now in this particular cell, I wanted to see the total profit. So profit is present in which cell now? Discount. Let me go with discount first. Okay. So discount, I will just click on this is equal to, click on this cell and enter. Correct. Go to the dashboard. This particular cell, I will write equal to, right? After writing equal to, go to which sheet now? KPI 3 and click on this particular cell. Enter. Got the answer. So what I will do, formatting, I will copy from the cell. I will paste it here. Got the answer. So sorry, not here. I need to Control X. I will paste it here because that is a discount, right? Control V. Now I wanted to go with the profit, right? So how to find the profit? Which cell we have the profit? Cells. This is a profit. Perfect. I will go to the cell outside the pivot table, click on the cell, enter. KPI 5, right? So I will go to this particular cell, format printer. I will paste it here. Equal to, I will go to the KPI 5, click on the cell and enter, right? So I got the total sales, total profit, total discount. KPIs, everything is proper, right? So still I can, yeah. So let me go back to here. All right. So this way I can just see the values, right? Total sales, total profit and discount. Suppose if you wanted to put the border here or anything, so you can put the border also, right? So this particular cell, I will go to the format option and I can put the white. See, this is a fill color, Control Z. Fill will not look good. So let it be same only, right? Yeah. So what I will do here now, so this still I'm finding some gap here, right? What I want, I just wanted to reduce this particular gap because that gap is not looking good in my dashboard. So this region I will move here till here and segment and all, I will reduce the size a little bit. Perfect. Now this also I will reduce. So if you will check, So your arrangement of dashboard layout is very important, right? So region also I will make it till here, correct? But that white again now won't look good. Little bit down, perfect. Right. So this space till it is blank. What I want, I will go to the slicer again. Okay. Not the slicer. Let me click on any chart. Okay. I will go to the pivot table analysis, insert the timeline. Okay. So can you see you have the timeline for what? Whenever you have the date option, you can insert the timeline, which we have already discussed on the day one session. Can you see this is the timeline? This is the timeline. So how you can arrange that you can see. That won't look good. So I will remove this. So the best way, you can reduce the size of the chart and arrange this more down so that everything will be perfectly look good. All right. So this is done, right? So this timeline, I can increase the size. Okay. Perfect. Now my category is visible, segment is visible, region is visible, and date is also visible, correct? So this date also what I want, it should change for all the charts. I will go to the which option now? Timeline, report connection. Again, same how you did for slicer. You have to connect with each and every pivot table. Then click on OK. Okay. So still I can find this space. What I can do, I can insert some images here. So I will go to this one. I will go for again shape. So whatever shape you want, whatever the icons you want, you can insert the whatever icon you want. Suppose smiley if you want, you can put the smiley, or suppose cells. So cells, they don't have anything. Yeah, so any image, whatever you will like, you can just drag that image and click on insert. Can you see? This image is added. Okay. Perfect. So still some space is there. If you wanted to insert the image, you can insert the image, or if you just wanted to increase this, you can increase the image, right? This is the image. What is my requirement? If I will click on this one, the person can directly go to the Google page and they can search for anything, whatever they want, right? Right click on this. I will go for link and I will go for the existing file to the web. And here I will just put the link for what? Google, https://www.google.com. All right. And just I will click on OK. Then now everything is properly arranged and everything is looking good, right? Yeah, can you see now entire dashboard is visible to you in one place, correct? So suppose here onwards, Control Shift right, everything, if I want the no field color, so go to the bucket and no field color. Now can you see? Now it is looking good. Just the background I have taken only for this one. Only this is my dashboard, nothing else. This is the blank sheet, whatever you have, only this is my dashboard. Okay. So let's see whether my dashboard is dynamic or not, because we have this concept. Why? Because I wanted to see my dashboard should change according to my selection, right? So I will go for furniture. All your charts are changing, your values are changing. Consumer, central region, east region, south region, west region, corporate, home office, specific year, quarter. Can you see? It is a dynamic. Yes. So once you will create such kind of dashboard, you will get more confidence and you will feel that, yeah, definitely whatever knowledge I'm having, that I'm applying in the proper manner. So see, it is up to you where you wanted to put the slicer, where you wanted to put the chart. which chart is suitable for that, what KPIs you wanted to take. That is changing, but the way of creating the dashboard will not change, right? If I will go to the KPI one, can you see? Even your this sheet is also changing according to your selection. Let me go to the dashboard. What I will do, I will clear all the filter. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back to your original dashboard. Yes. KPI 2, you're on KPI 2, go back to dashboard. KPI 3, go back to the dashboard. I wanted to see my data, raw data. I'm on the raw data. Perfect. Go to the dashboard, sales dashboard. You're directly linked with your Amazon dashboard or website. Let me go again. I can click on this image. If you wanted to search anything, you're directly linked with Google page, correct? And I'm back to here again. This is my dashboard. Yeah, so in comment, please, you can type whether this concept is good or not and whether you're getting a really good insight from your data set or not. Yes, can you please provide your feedback? It will be great. You need practice, you need to explore on the more data, and definitely that will give the good analysis of your data. Okay, so it is not domain specific, it is not related to any particular field. So data is present everywhere. So you can go for HR, hospital, you can go for any company, anywhere. Okay, any big superstores. Okay, any customer, any client, anywhere if you'll go, data is present and they wanted to see the meaningful information out of your data. Okay, so this way you can convert your raw data in the form of meaningful and insights from your dashboard. Okay, so whatever concept we have seen on the day one, practically today we have seen how you can implement all the concepts in terms of dashboard, and definitely this is a dynamic. Dynamic means what? It will change according to the user selection. Suppose the manager is from the central region and central region area manager wanted to see only central region output. Click on central. Can you see all your charts are showing for only central region? This is also central, this is also central. So in central region, how the segments are performing, how my region is performing, how my other things are performing, that you will come to know. Here, and same way you can link your dashboard with the any of the website, whatever you want. Suppose if you're working on DMart, you can put the DMart logo, you can connect with the DMart, right? Whatever image you want, you can insert, right? And similarly, you can see the total cards. So these are called as KPI cards. This is entire thing is called as navigation. And this is called as a slicer and timeline. And these are the charts. So depending on your values and information, you can select whatever chart you want. And on the basis of that, you can create the very good and beautiful dashboard. So meaningful insights from your data set, you will get at the end. Yeah, everyone understood? Please type PY in chat if it is clear. So this is in the basic Excel, like we are creating the dashboard in Excel. So here it will take a lot of time to create such kind of dashboards. Like within 1 hour, you can create definitely, but it will take a lot of time. So company want the quick analysis. So for that purpose, we have to switch to the different BI tools. So that is called as a Power BI, Tableau, other tools are there in the market. And depending on the company's requirement and depending on what tool your company is using, so you can switch to that particular tool and you can find the meaningful insights from the data set. Okay. So tomorrow's session, we can work on the Power BI. So in Power BI also, we will be able to create a very good and dynamic dashboard. So how you have seen the dashboard in Excel, same way, tomorrow we will work on the KPIs and then we can work on the dashboard in the next session. So tomorrow we don't have. So we have the session on the 1st and 2nd, right? So 2 days we have the off, and then we can work on the Power BI tool on the remaining 2 days workshop. Okay. So let me just open that presentation. Just give me a second. I will open the presentation and then I can share the screen with you. Okay. Hope my screen is visible. Yes, it's visible. Can you please type in chat? Is it visible, everyone? Yeah, thank you. So I will just do the quick recap for, oh, sorry, I stopped sharing. Just give me a second. Yeah. Yes, so let me hide this Zoom and yeah. So I will go to the slideshow on this one. I will start from the beginning. Yeah. So this is our requirement for our project. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Not this one. This is a Python. Sorry. Yeah. So now I can show you the whatever we have done. So slideshow and the from beginning. Yes. So in this our bootcamp program, our first target was timeline. So day one, we have just seen the introduction about that. Today, like yesterday, we have seen about the what is that data, how you can convert the raw data in the form of actionable data, that is data cleaning and data modeling. Okay, and after the data modeling, we have loaded that data in the form of pivot table, that is a summarized data. And today we have created the very good dashboard in Excel. Okay, so data may be different from the different domains, but the way of creating the dashboard will be the same. Okay, and the Monday and Tuesday, we will work on the Power BI tool. Okay, so we can download the Power BI. Excel by default, all the systems are having Excel in the system, but Power BI and the other tools, BI tools, we have to download. So once we will start the session on Monday, I will tell you how you can get the Power BI in your system. Once you have the Power BI, it is a lifetime free tool, and then you can use the Power BI for your visualization purpose. So very quickly, you will get the dashboard. So here you have to spend a little bit more time to understand link each and everything which you have seen already today's session. So Power BI, nothing linking, nothing. Within a very less span of time, your dashboard will be ready. Okay, so that we will see practically on Monday and Tuesday session. Okay. So as my company's requirement is to convert this raw data in the form of actionable insights with all these KPIs. So we have already done that part, right? And after that, the dashboard, which is a very good way of representing your data. So whatever different charts, we have already seen pie chart, we have seen the bar chart, we have seen the line chart. So there are multiple ways how you can represent your data, right? Then different uses of the dashboard, already we have seen what is a use. It is a very good and nice way to analyze your data and summarize your data, right? And what are the importance of this dashboard? It will give the very good efficiency. It will give the goal tracking. You can take the informed decisions, predictive analysis. There are multiple benefits of this particular dashboard, right? And these are all the concepts which we have already seen. Importing the data, data cleaning, data modeling, creating the pivot table and creating the charts, creating the dashboard. What layout you want, that also we have decided. I have taken the 5 different charts, arrange that chart properly, and then I can use the slicer and timeline. So slicer, you can apply on the text, number, date, anything. And the timeline, you can apply on only date data. And even along with that, we have seen how you can add the KPI cards in your dashboard, and formatting is totally up to you. How you want, which color you want, which background you want. You can format your dashboard and you can create the as per your requirement. Okay. So these are all things which we have already discussed in the previous sessions. Okay. This is just a sample, but instead of sample, we have already created the very good dashboard today, right? Thank you all. Hope today's session was really helpful for you. And definitely you can use this knowledge in your future to get the meaningful information from the raw data. Okay. Enjoy your weekends. See you on Monday. Thank you so much, everyone. Chandan, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So students, tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have class and we'll meet on Monday. Okay. Thank you.